Converting a design from Canva to a Coreldraw file is quite straightforward. To begin, open your design in Canva. Click on Share and then select Download. In the Download options, choose PDF Print instead of the standard PDF setting. And then click Download. This will save your design as a PDF file on your computer, typically in the Downloads folder. Take note of the file's location, as you will need it later. Next, open Coreldraw, either the web version or the desktop app, and go to File in the top left corner. Click on Open and navigate to the folder where your Canva design is saved. Select the PDF file, which should be named after your original design, and click Open. A dialog box will appear. Ensure that the Curves option is selected and leave the other settings as they are. Then click OK. The design will then be loaded into Coreldraw. To save the file in Coreldraw format, click on File again, and this time select Save As. You can choose to keep the original file name or change it, and the file type should be set to Coreldraw CDR by default. Leave the other settings unchanged and click OK. You will then be prompted to choose a location to save the file. Select a suitable folder, such as the Downloads folder, and click Save. Your design should now be saved as a Coreldraw file, which can be easily opened and edited in Coreldraw.